Friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. My channel, total information and search engine optimization. The very important, every videos and every lecture, every class, my every tutor, very important. I am the structure and guideline, the search engine optimization, the total your business and e-commerce. Very important. The topics, the next videos, the how you can help and search engine optimization in e-commerce business. Then e-commerce business and including the multiple sale and bid analytic and risks and ranking is speed and very important part of type of keyword and how to use them. Uh, the records marketing search engine has the high return return investigation. This is the person, but easily then your e-commerce business and your another business the best benefited and how to more revenue, revenue income and how to more money gain and your e-commerce website and your e-commerce business. How can help must be your search engine optimization SEO essential that main that with the search engine optimization your marketing will goal and relevance pay the items in fact you will more than the pay issues you will obtain the bring the more than the cost and but is the not all. The result of search engine optimization are long term, meaning how will enjoy the benefits of your look, click from ad traffical and when you campaign ends and but all design products page will keep driving traffic for the long and the rims and relevance. The friends, e-commerce you can how can help and search engine optimization and your e-commerce business. The some important topics and important part just present my videos, my class, my tutorials, type of keywords and how to use them, type of keywords and how to use them. However, convert the meanings and the benefits of search engine optimization. Now, times of delivers in bit different. The search optimize relevance around the development relevance contain to search user, but to products relevant contain you need to know their search concern. Such consider the relevance that the who are keyword common in according the lot of keyword planner and thus search in Google search engine. You can just search Google keyword planner names, the lot of Google keyword planner names you can provide of Google, but Google search Google keyword planner is the best keyword planner number one, the Google keyword planner and a lot of others keyword you can use in your computer and your keyword research. Google keyword planner is the best of keyword planner. This is the people type of in search engine to find that the looking for the there are also called the Google search and search quality keyword may be using word and like any name dog cat and coffee etc or is condition be couple of word is like your niche related keyword. I could also another person search than the for this niche. The matter of learn how to all keyword play them the same rule. There are core and side visitor and looking from keyword and important because website can show up and search query if you write on web content which those process content relevance into the rank single their search engine user any keyword are on way to search engine can tell your website content is the relevance keyword. Type of keyword, There are various type of keywords. Depends on how a look keyword type can number into the double digit, but you don't need to quarantine yourself with many in those keyword type, as the most are only used in technical process. That side is following are some basic type of keyword should known. I am some point keywords, and the number one long tail keyword, number two buyer and search intel keyword, number three geo targeted keyword, number four related biotech keyword, and number five listed scam and indexing keyword. Just I can present some keyword in long tail keyword. There are quality reference on Google search with or more words and others in would be according to call keyword with low search volume. Long tail keyword are more specific barriers of the root of purchase. For increase and any long tail keyword is a long tail version and is obtain more value the targeted them keyword because it can be used your rank will them. Buyer and search intent keyword. Internet keywords. Search internet keyword help you understand to response bring search query for increase better the search engine the any keywords you initiated. For example, how to style and seek car and car cow dog etc. Defense the best please and buy one of the informational while we others the communication we drive defense into when say keyword are important and how to use them below. The number three geo targeted keyword, and that is the just a frequency on the location search in silver then the knows the related specific location, and there are others given value the local business growing report. Then the 50% people those the local search visitor store which in 1 days. An example local search engine called by any keyword your e-commerce niche, your website niche just is the manually. Number four, the relative and vertex keyword. Relative and vertical keyword. There are keyword that are related but not the same. For example, how to style in skincare and interest in the fashion style women because they are targeted same search categories. The fashion optimize the relation vital trait keyword help and attack and large audience and understand a new opportunity. The number five, the last of keyword, the late simple indexing keyword. Others call the same things keyword. There are purses are essential. Someone they are related the world on process that are some mouse and colors related for in increase. The France blogger and the France related there are type of dogs but US blogging and US keyword as like dogs cat fashion and a lot of keywords etc. How can vary cloth and these keywords and addition add an increase to your web page and your website can you help drive your organic traffic. Friends, you can your e-commerce business, the development must be your uses the type of keywords and how to use this keyword and your website and e-commerce business. And the number one, the Google search engine keyword planner uses lot of keyword, and the type of keywords, five type of keywords, the long tail keywords, buyer and search internet keywords, and geo targeted keyword, related and vertex keyword, and listing segment indexing keyword. Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe my channel. Very important, and very important, and your business, the grow your type of keywords and how to use them. Thank you.